Welcome to 2201 Pershing's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom G floor plan, offering 1,029 square feet of living space. As you enter the home, you'll notice our bamboo flooring throughout the main living space. Directly to the right, we have a hall closet, plenty big enough for some storage, as well as vacuums and coats. Coming back to the center, we have our full-size kitchen with gray soft stone quartz countertops and full-size stainless steel appliances. Making our way to the living room, to the right, we have our en-suite washer and dryer. Coming back to the living room, which is 12 feet by 19 feet. Plenty of space here, oversized windows with curtains. Over here we have the door to the private patio. Facing the front door, to the left, we have the secondary bedroom. This bedroom is 11 feet by almost 13 feet. Plenty of room for a king size or queen size bed. We also have the full size walk-in closet and our half bathroom. Dual flush toilets. Back through the kitchen, we will make our way to the primary bedroom. This bedroom is 11 by 13 feet. Very large bedroom, plenty of room for a king or a queen bed. Coming down this private hallway, we have 2 closets, one with shelving, and a large one over here as well. This is the primary bathroom. Once again, we have the dual flush toilet. We have 7 feet of white subway tile and the angled shower curtain rod. One large vanity mirror, as well as a medicine cabinet. This concludes the tour of the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom G.